What's up, y'all? I'm bringing y'all an unboxing video today of these premium Martyblendz clipper guards. I got the Skittle ones, so it should be different color for each guard. I've only seen maybe about 1 or 2 videos on YouTube, so you know what, let me go ahead and make one. So, simple box, let's see what's inside, let's get to it. So before we get to open this, these are my clippers. From what I've seen and read, they're supposed to fit both of these with no issue. I've been using these. I got these on Amazon about 2 years ago. They're magnetic, they don't rattle whatsoever. So these are pretty dope. They won't come off. So let's open them up. There it is. Your half guard, or 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. So it doesn't come with the 5 and 7. That's no issue. So they feel dope. They feel premium. So it is a different color for each. These are the Skittle guards. So let's see if they fit both of these. Let's try the one. No problem. Do they rattle? Oh, they kind of do. On the one. And they're not even 0 gap. Let's see, let me try that again. There you go. That was weird. It was rattling the first time. These are pretty dope. Not bad. God damn. So one issue I came across with the magnetic ones is sometimes I was trying to grab the one or the half, and I'll put them too close to each other but the next time I needed them, I had to like take them apart. It was something that would be annoying at times during a haircut. So now I know that with these, I could have them like this, they're not gonna stick to each other. Or let's say if I have them like this, just by the corner of my eye, I'm gonna know which guard is the one I need based on color. So I just look for the color and just grab. Easy. Yeah. So that's another reason why I went with the Skittles. Not bad. Cool colors. Yeah. Pretty much it. Nothing in the box, just the guards. Pretty dope. So there you have your Skittle guards. Pretty cool, pretty premium. They feel good. They look nice. Do they cook good? I don't know. I have to figure that out. Just put them back for you guys. Here's my one. Skittles.